Hi, fifth grade. This is Mrs. Hughes from Mount Prospect. Today I'm going to talk to you about some new things that we're adding to social studies for the Revolutionary War unit. The Revolutionary War is such an important part of American history, as well as our local history. We have so many resources right at our fingertips, as well as on the internet, that we wanted to make sure that you had a chance to try it all. So this time we've created a choice board. The activities on the choice board will be optional, but each time you complete an activity from the choice board, you'll be earning points for your school. The 4 elementary schools will be competing against each other to see who can earn the most points using the choice board. So let's take a look at how you can be a part of this competition. On my screen, you'll see our typical lesson activity sheet. It starts with the title, a brief introduction. On the one side, you'll see the activities that you participate in, and on the other side, you'll see the response. If you'll notice, down at the bottom of lesson activities, each day, there's going to be a link. Complete an activity from the choice board and complete the Google form to earn points for your team. Each day, this is an optional activity for your social studies lesson. Once you click on the link, it will bring you directly to a website, which will give you all the information that you need about this competition. The first page of the competition gives you a small overview with some of the rules and expectations. The second tab up here in the right corner is all the different choice board activities that you could participate in. There's a variety of activities, everything from traveling to Jockey Hollow to watching a short video on the internet, or even making your own comic strip about the Revolutionary War. Once you complete an activity, make sure you read all of the directions in the box, and if you need to have some kind of response or picture or file to upload, make sure you have that ready. Then come to the next tab, the Google form. You'll click on the link to bring you directly to the Google form. From here, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to choose which school you attend to make sure that your points go for your school, and then complete each question and tell us how many points you earned. We will be keeping track of the points and posting them back on the Google site. If you have any questions, feel free to let your teacher know, and teachers, feel free to email me with any questions as well. Have a great day, guys.